Okay. Hi, everyone. I'm the only one doing a lightning talk. I'm in Patrick Belmont's lab. I'm excited to share my research. This is my poster. Okay, so watersheds vary in their ability to transport sediment downstream. One way to measure sediment connectivity is to look at the presence of sediment bottlenecks, or areas of the riverscape where a significant amount of fluvial sediment is deposited, causing a measurable increase in alluvial storage. There are different causes for sediment bottlenecks, including valley bottom morphology or physical obstructions like human infrastructure, beaver dams, wood jams, or debris flows. After wildfire, there's a lack of vegetation and impervious soil surfaces can cause catastrophic flooding and erosion. Sediment and other debris are washed downstream and can alter aquatic habitat. They can damage infrastructure and they can threaten our water resources. And you can see that in this conceptual model here. My research collaborative has developed a model that routes sediment downstream in burned watersheds. However, it hasn't taken into account many of the factors I've identified as causing sediment bottlenecks. It hasn't empirically measured sediment bottlenecks. And so these are goals I set out to do. My first research question is, what controls sediment bottleneck volume, location, and prevalence in drainage networks after wildfire? And then building on that, I hypothesized that wood will have a significant impact on sediment bottlenecks because recruitment of wood greatly increases after wildfire. Volume refers to the size of sediment bottlenecks and wood jams. Location refers to which reaches control sediment bottlenecks in wood. And prevalence refers to the amount of sediment bottlenecks in wood at each of my study sites. My study sites include 15 burned watersheds across Utah. So far, I've been out to 8 of them, and I've measured 57 bottlenecks. My team has digitized 10,000 pieces of wood in these watersheds. To look at what controls volume and location of sediment bottlenecks in wood, I've developed a suite of predictor variables that I've automated measurement of in Python. And these include geomorphic variables, which impact river function and debris transport, and also land cover variables that are measured locally or as draining from upstream. My preliminary results show that wood and valley bottom morphology are the greatest causes of sediment bottleneck formation. However, debris flows trap substantially more sediment than any other type of sediment bottleneck. After running a random forest classification, I've identified that the strongest predictor variables for the presence of sediment bottlenecks within a reach are slope and burn severity. I think that's 3 minutes, and if you have any other questions.